Hey, what's up guys, Bo HD here, and my Tempo Move just arrived fashionably late thanks to FedEx. Shout out to FedEx for sucking some serious holiday jingle bells this year. I've been reluctant to get any sort of home gym because I feel like they're just a waste of money. I'd rather just get a gym membership, but here we are. What appealed to me with the Tempo Move is you get this sleek and discreet cabinet that keeps all your weights nice and organized, and you can choose between like a white or a black variant that blends with your home decor and furniture. But when you connect your phone to the included dock that's plugged into your TV, you'll be able to do a bunch of guided workouts. And it actually uses the iPhone camera and the depth sensors to detect which weights you're using, how many reps you're doing, and whether you're performing the workout correctly so you don't injure yourself. I just really like the concept, and I definitely cannot wait to test it out. I think it'll be fun to integrate into my work from home lifestyle. I will say, though, that if you missed out on the early launch day special, it's going to cost about $500, and there is a $40 a month membership fee. So it's definitely not cheap. Check out my link tree in my bio for the product link, and let me know if you'd like to see a full review.